Fucking heavy. Wake up. Wake up.
What's good, everybody? Hope everyone having a great day today. Happy Wednesday. Today we're gonna take you guys a little tour. Well, not a little tour, just a little day trip. I'm actually gonna be heading into the studio. We're gonna be teaching 2 classes a little bit later today, and then we have legs later tonight. So that should be fun. And then from there on, in between, probably gonna stop at a coffee shop or a library or a park and just do some work. Just like 2 hours, just really quality focused work. Even though I already did like 4 hours earlier today, I just want to get a little extra. You know, there's nothing wrong with doing a little extra, pushing a little extra to get you to where you want to get to. Can't even talk now, to get you to where you want to get to. So yeah, we're gonna be taking you guys through that. Let's get into it. Let's go. I just ate some eggs, so right now I'm actually just air frying my carbs, and my carbs is going to be, as you can see, white potatoes. But here's the thing, I like to get them nice and crispy like this. I put a little bit of salt, and then from there on I put what spice is that? Give me 1 second. Red peppers, yeah. So I put a little bit of salt, red peppers. I get to like this crunch right here. I don't know if you can see it focus. There you go. And yeah, after we eat this, we're probably just gonna start heading out. And then yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Let's go. How's it going, boss?
Hey, how are you today?
So we just got to the studio. We actually got most of the work that we need to get done at home. Just literally turn on the music. My brain just went off. We were just practicing a little bit, just warming up before class. And yeah, now we're about to get into it, man. We're about to teach these new classes, and from there we're gonna hit the gym later on, to where we're gonna basically do a little bit of legs. We're gonna be working towards deadlift. I'm gonna be, catch my breath. One thing I really want to do is like aim for a 600 deadlift. So I'm gonna be focused on that really within the next few months. Just cause like my deadlift used to be like 555 and I got close to 600, but now I actually want to hit 600, right? I want to lift it. I feel like I have the body for it, I have the physique for it, most importantly, I have the ability to grind for it, right? So for the next few months, that's our goal. That's what we want to reach for. But right now, again, we're just gonna do some stretching, get ready for classes, and then from there on, maybe do a little bit of work in between. And yeah, let's do it. Let's have a day. Let's go. We're gonna start with right uppercut. We're gonna go right uppercut. Left body hook, left head hook, right hook. Just finished that first class. We have one more class to go. And then from there, we're gonna be heading to the gym. Right now, we're just about to do a few things, hop on a phone call, and yeah, let's have some fun. Let's do some work, and then teach the last class, and then we finish it off, and we start heavy deadlifting later, baby. All right, so we're basically done. Now we're about to hit this gym, and it's leg day, baby. Let's get into it. I'm really just gonna clean up a little bit. Class was fun. Class was lit. One of the biggest things is like if you're new to fitness, group classes are definitely a way to actually like incorporate yourself into it. It makes it a little bit easier to adjust to, and then over time, once you gain that confidence, oh, I can actually do this. I can actually do a squat, so on and so forth. Then you could lead into just going to like isolation exercise where you go into the gym. But group fitness classes are a great way to get things done. But yeah, we just finished up here. About to hit the gym. Let's eat. Well, actually, I'm going to eat because I need some food before this leg day. So let me clean up and eat before I get picked up. Let's go. Gym time. All right, we made it, baby. Let's eat. Let's go.
All right, what's good, y'all? So we're gonna be starting with deadlifts, probably 135. Just go for 10, warm up, get those legs going, and then from there on, go to 2, 3, 4. And my goal is to basically hit 5 plates for 1 or 2, and just to see how it feels. And yes, we're gonna be doing sumo, so don't come at me, all right? just want to do 6. Nothing crazy. See how it feels. And now we're going to go to 3. And then from there on, based on how 3 feels, will tell me everything else I need to know. All right, so we're gonna be going 4 now. Probably just go for like 3 or 4, depending how it feels. We'll take how 5 will feel. I'm not gonna lie to you. So if I can get 3 and they're smooth and they're easy, then that tells me 495 for 1 is definitely possible today. Because after kickboxing and doing all that, the energy tends to be a little bit lower, but it is what it is. We'll get through it. So let's go. Let's have some fun. Okay, that'll be pretty good. Oh, my headphones almost got crushed. Me and a Ranger. See, I got this when I was in Delaware for 1, so I expect kind of the same with this. Even though I have no chalk, no gear, no nothing. Grip. All right, so we just finished out. We got it for 2. We did 2 resets, which is really good. So that means like me walking my way up to 530, 590. It's there. Strength is getting better, which is good. Grip still a little bit iffy, but it is what it is. Right now we're about to squat. We're about to do 4 sets of 10, and then from there I'll walk our way up to maybe 225 and 315 if I feel good. But yeah, let's go for 10. Let's go.
Bro, this better be a fire vlog. This better be a fire vlog.
I've been recording all day. I worked out twice already.
What the fuck?
Here going happy. No excuse.
Bro.
I command the energy. Energy doesn't command me.
Yeah. I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word and act with class.
Come on, that shouldn't be fucking heavy. Wake up. Wake up.
I'm not the one confused. Call the shots and they produce. I ain't
Shouldn't be fucking heavy.
Pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now. Don't go rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out. Remember you're discreet now. Get ready for defeat now. I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen on repeat now and weed out all the weak now. Get up and make a change. Don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before you're great. Cause your life is yours to save. Ain't nobody gonna change. Everybody stays the same. So be different, make a name,
like
huh?
a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I march until it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I march until it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. March until it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. March until it's over.
I'm spitting this meticulous and limitless, while others out there spitting shit got hits up on the charts and shit. I see why other artists quit, cause people don't reward good shit. They love to hate but hate to live. Society, you swing and miss. And honestly, I get it. Promise me you won't regret it. Wasting energy, forget it. Don't look back, go on and get it. Bite the bullet just a bit. Bite your tongue and don't say shit. Make your actions hard to miss. Be a legend, not a myth. Yeah. It's obnoxious that I'm conscious. Rapping honest as promise. Try to harness. As an artist, stay modest. It's a long quest. I will not quit till 10,000 people going off when I drop this. I gotta make it now. Swear to God I'm breaking out. Swear to God I'll take a bow. Stand the stage with the crowd, cause I got it figured out. I'm just honest and I'm loud. Saying modest but I'm proud. No, I never had a doubt.
Just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward.
About to pass out. Fuck. Felt it. Started cramping up right here after the first one. Oh shit. That was good though. Let's go. I'm cramping up everywhere, bro. Holy shit. I think I'm done now. Whew.
Oh, legs are dead, legs are dead, legs are dead. What's up, y'all? So we just finished up.
Let me stop doing that. So, yo, I almost did it automatically. So we just finished up legs. I ain't gonna lie, I started cramping towards the end. Everybody's dead tired. My calves started cramping up. My inner quad started cramping up. And yeah, now I'm just gonna basically do some posing and get the hell out of here. Yeah, that's it. But I'm kind of glad I got 495 for 2, which is good, because now that tells me, okay, cool, I can probably work my way up to 530 again. And I also got 315 for 7 reps. Yeah, 7 reps. Six reps third set, 1 rep last set. So yeah, overall, good signs. Strength is coming back up, and now it's just a matter of just stacking up on it, building on it, and if I'm not, just continuing forward. That's it. But yeah, catch you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Catch you next time. Stay tuned. Remember, subscribe, follow. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.